Hey, I heard you're in the market for a new laptop. What kind are you looking for?
Yeah, I need a new laptop for work. I'm looking for something that's lightweight, has a long battery life, and can handle multiple programs running at once.
Have you thought about getting a MacBook? They're known for their longevity and performance.
I've heard good things about MacBooks, but they're pretty expensive. I'm trying to stay within my budget.
That's understandable. Have you looked into any PC brands like Dell or HP? They have some good options that are more affordable.
Yeah, I've been looking at some Dell laptops. They seem to have good reviews and are reasonably priced.
That's a good choice. Do you know what specs you're looking for?
I want something with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, a solid-state drive, and a good processor.
Those are important specs for multitasking and running programs smoothly. Do you plan on buying it online or in-store?
I think I'll go to a physical store to check out the laptops in person before making a final decision.
That's a good idea. Let me know if you need any help or recommendations.
Will do. Thanks for your input.